Thank you for stopping by. I am coming at you a little fresh-faced today and a little bit confused. Today we are doing a natural hair tutorial. Well, it was a tutorial. Now that I watched the video, it looked like it was a fail. So I am trying to get some curls onto my hair. This is my natural hair. I have just washed and rinsed it. I rinsed it with shampoo. I washed it with shampoo and currently about to section the hair. Usually when I do curls, I don't care much on how perfect the section is because one, I'm not very good at that. I don't know why. I've never been good at it. So yeah, try and get the hair all nice and sectioned into a straight line. I am talking to my partner whilst I'm doing this, so I am a little bit distracted. But anyway, once I play with the camera a little bit, I get right back into the hair. First and foremost, I try and get a very beautiful straight line in the middle of my hair. And yeah, damn girl, that is a terrible line. Next, I tie back the hair that I won't be using and just to keep it out of the way. So my natural hair shrinks a lot after a wash. It's probably 3 times the length that you see here. It's 4C hair. Shrinks like crazy. I decided to take my gown off and I decided nope. So yeah, next I work on the other section of the hair that I've already sectioned already. Well, not already sectioned. I take a little bit of hair and then I apply some leave-in conditioner on it. I am very generous with the leave-in because I am a black woman. I do not understand when they say put a little bit. For me, that means put the whole bottle. So I put a little bit. I'm doing good. Then I just decide to go crazy and put the whole bottle. And that's, covering my hair with leave-in conditioner. You will end up putting some little bit of argan oil. Later on, in the video, you'll see why this was a bad idea when I regret putting this much leave-in conditioner. But anyway, I am crazy and I decided to go more on the leave-in conditioner. Yeah, girl. You pour the whole bottle into your hair. So yeah, I coat my hair from tip to root. And then I section that piece of hair and then I twist it. Twist-a-doo, 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 twist-a-doo. Until I get a nice, perfect twist. So I am going to do this method to my whole head. So I am just going to fast forward the rest of the process so as not to bore you. Anyway, I finally come to the point where I have finished putting the chunky twist all in my hair. I look like a little boy now, but hey, I have coated my hair with conditioner. You won't believe this, but I didn't finish the whole bottle, strangely enough, and I'm feeling myself right now. I'm thinking this is going to come out looking all perfecto. I am thinking of how I'm gonna look tomorrow. I decided to put a little bit of argan oil into the hair. I don't know if this is where I went wrong. I have no idea, but yeah, I decided to put in a little bit of argan oil and I will let this dry overnight. So the plan was to let it dry overnight, but I let it dry over 48 hours because I was busy the day before that day. And yeah, that's it. I'm all finished. I'm looking to see if everything is nice and swimming in conditioner. And here I am, all dry. My twists have dried up. It looks okay. When it's still in twists, it looks fine. I decided to put a little bit of argan oil to, give them a little bit of shine, girl. A little bit of shine. So yeah, I, again, you won't believe it, but I only bought this argan oil a couple of weeks ago. I am very generous. So I put as much argan oil into my hair as possible. I am not a perfectionist when it comes to my hair, so I just put as it goes. So if the hair is lucky, it gets some oil. If it's not lucky, I am so sorry, strand of hair, you ain't getting no oil today. Anyway, I decide to unravel a twist and see how my hard work has turned out. It's very exciting to unravel a twist. It's like scratching a lot of scratch. Damn, look at that bounce. Look at that curl. Girl, do you see that curl? So anyway, I decide to unravel the whole twist and see how everything is coming out. From the camera, it looks good. But what you don't see in real life is that the leave-in didn't go away. I was left with so much, I wouldn't call it dandruff, dry leave-in, which has never happened to me because I have used the Cantu leave-in conditioner before and I love it. I don't know if I put too much or it was the combination of the leave-in and the argan oil at the same time. I don't know where I went wrong, but it just looked really cakey and white, and literally my pants were full of dry leave-in residue. It just looked like I had a lot of dandruff. So anyway, I proceeded to unravel all the leave-in conditioner, all the twists, and yeah, just go about it and see the final results in a little bit. Somebody please tell me where I went wrong. Somebody help a sister out. Please tell me where I went wrong. I have no idea what I did wrong. But anyway, I'm gonna fast forward this and not bore you with me unraveling my twists. We are all done. Here is the final result. I don't know where I went wrong. It doesn't look shiny. You can see how much dry, cakey leave-in was left. I don't know. I'm very confused. Where did I go wrong? Somebody tell me. You know what? I'm going to re-shampoo this hair, wash this hair again, put in some conditioner, and call it a day. Goodbye, guys.